Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark at Detail Solutions. We got Justin behind me getting started on this beautiful Iowa man green BMW M8. This thing's getting full body PPF, plus we're gonna ceramic coat the soft top and it's getting ceramic tint all the way around, so stay tuned. So we just wrapped up the BMW M8. Again, this got full body PPF, so it's going to be protected front to back. We also coated the soft top on it, so that's going to give it some more life to it. We also did ceramic tint all the way around, 80 on the front, 70 on the side, so it looks light, but it's going to have that awesome heat rejection and UV protection. If you're interested in PPF, tint, or ceramic coatings, definitely give us a call or look us up online.